Okay, amazing morning, everybody. Today I'm going to do the what's in your bag video because some friends of mine and a few of you have requested to see what is in my bag. First of all, what's interesting is the bag I'm currently using is a bag that I bought from my salon in Green Hills. The lady that owns the salon was selling these, and I thought this was really pretty because, as you all know, I love to wear black and white all the time. So I thought it was perfect for me. Also because it helps some people who are in jail in Mandaluyong. So this is a livelihood project of the people that are, the ladies that are incarcerated in the Mandaluyong City Jail. Okay, so this is a really cute bag and it came with a smaller pouch inside. For those of you curious, it cost me 3,199 pesos. And they have a lot of them there in the salon. It's called Nympha Salon. It's in Green Hills. So if you want to go and check it out and help the women who are incarcerated, that would be a great help. Now, let's get started. What's in my bag? Okay, medyo marami. I like to be complete. So let's start with, I have a little pouch. And in my little pouch, I have number one, off lotion. Because you never know. And I am a dengue survivor. So I always keep a bottle of off lotion with me. I have this is called Camila San, which is a throat spray, anti-inflammatory spray. My doctora says that this is very important. So when you start to feel a tickle in your throat or whatever, you should always spray it with this right away to prevent it from getting worse. Okay, what else? Oh, of course, I have my alcohol. I have my, I love Dettol. You can't really buy it here. I buy this in Thailand whenever I travel kasi mabango siya. It smells kind of like a cologne, but it's 100% alcohol. Well, is it 100%? 70% alcohol. Okay. And then I have my Nasoclear. Nasoclear, again, it's a spray. It's for your nose. When you've been like in crowded places and you don't feel like too safe na baka mamaya may tao doon na may virus, I just spray it on both noses twice and then I blow into a tissue and then after that I spray again once and it lubricates your nasal passages as well as keeps it clean, so prevents you from getting viruses. What else? Oh, I have a small pack of dental floss because if you know me, I love to keep my teeth super clean and healthy. Okay, then of course I have an extra car charger, which is, you know, sometimes I find myself in situations where I'm in the car and I'm super low bat and I'm in a friend's car or something and I don't have a charger and they also don't have a charger, so I always bring my own. And of course, one that plugs anywhere. So, yan ang laman ng aking maliit na pouch. Okay, balik muna natin to. Next is, okay, ano pa ba? Then I have another small pouch. Ang dami kong pouch, no? Another small pouch. In this pouch, I have my AirPods. I have a few makeup pieces. I have, of course, hang on. I have my lipstick. Chanel red, so that anywhere I go, day or night, ready for a photo. Then for day wear, I have this Charlotte Tilbury like light pink lip gloss. Then I have another one which is a little darker. So, depending on my mood for the day. Then, I have an eyebrow pencil. Pang ganyan lang yan. And then, maglalagay kang konting eyeliner or whatever if you like. And then, I have lip balm. And I have, oh, this one is interesting. I have a portable eyelash curler. Ganyan, oh. Diba? Portable. So, na-fold siya. So, lagi ako may eyelash curler. And of course, I also have nail file, buffer, and I have a nail cutter in my bag somewhere. So, those are the things that I have in here. Pause muna. Okay, what's next? Next is, yeah? Oh, next is, pregnant baby girl. Hi. Hi. And then, the other current best friend.
Yes.
Where are you guys going?
To brunch.
Okay, I love you. Have a good time.
I love you.
Mwah, bye, baby.
Love you.
So you like my house?
I love it.
Yeah.
It's
Okay.
so you.
We'll do a house tour.
Yes.
Okay, love you, babe. You guys take care. Call me, ah. Let me know what I can order while you're there. Love you. Bye. Next, wallet. Siyempre, in my wallet, aside from cash, I have my driver's license. I have my PhilHealth card. I have, ano pa ba to? Oh, my AAP card in case masiraan ako ng kotse somewhere. I have my, national ID. And ano pa ba? Oh, Starbucks card, of course. Yun lang. That's it. Pansit. Next. I have another wallet. Puno naman to ng mga membership cards like Robinsons Go rewards. I have Mercury and yung Wilcon membership card. Yan, andito lahat yan. Petron value card. Ayan, iba-ibang card dito. And then I have another card, another case for my credit cards. And this wallet, I bought it. It's supposed to be like scan proof. So even if there are people that want to try to get your information, it's protected by this. And of course, my SNR card is also here. Okay, what else? Another small wallet. This one naman is my membership card dahil lagi ako nagpupunta sa club para mag-workout. Okay, next. What else? Okay, I have a spare battery charger and I also have a cable for my phone, which I leave in a small pouch. Some of you probably are thinking, Diyos ko po, napaka-OCD niya. Totoo po yan, OCD talaga ako. So, ayan. Next, ito po, nakuha ko tong small hairbrush na to sa isang Japanese hotel na inistayan namin sa Osaka. And look how cute. And it's perfect for the handbag. And libre siya sa hotel when you stay there. And syempre, meron akong hair tie just in case of emergency. Nakatali siya dyan. Next, I have a coin purse. Pero inside my coin purse, meron akong measuring tape. Kasi you never know. Nanay kasi ko. So, anytime na kailangan ko mag-measure ng anything, meron akong measuring tape. And meron akong mga emergency pills like Biogesic and ano pa ba to? Imodium, mga anti-allergy, lahat yan nandito. Just in case. And, of course, I have tissue. Ano pa ba? I think that's it, pretty much. I have always got a bar of chocolate in my bag. Kasi, pag nalo-low sugar ako, at least meron akong something sweet. And that's it for now, guys. That's what is inside my bag. Let me know what you think and what you would like me to video next. Happy weekend! And, wait! One more. Nakalimutan ko tuloy. Last but not the least. Nasaan na ba yun? Of course! I'm never without my amazing pure organic barley. Alam niyo naman, I don't leave home without it. Syempre, sa umaga pa lang iniinom ko na to. But, I definitely bring baon. Just in case nasaan man ako and I feel like my immunity is going down or feeling ko na, oh my gosh, parang magkakasipon ako or something. Double dose agad. So, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching again. And keep me posted kung ano pang gusto niyo malaman about me. God bless. Bye.